In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove unwanted bank accounts from QuickBooks Online. This process is straightforward and will help streamline your bookkeeping by ensuring only active accounts are visible in your records. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Once you're there, enter your credentials. Be sure you have your username and password handy. Now click Continue to get to your QuickBooks dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, the next step is to head over to the Bank Transactions section. This section houses all your connected bank accounts and is accessible right from your dashboard. Simply click the Bank Transactions link, which you can find in the navigation menu. If you're having trouble locating it, look for a tab on the left-hand side labeled Banking. Click that, and you should be in the right place. Now that you're in the Bank Transactions section, identify the bank account you want to remove. Next to the account name, you'll see a small pencil icon. This icon is your gateway to editing the account details. Click this pencil icon to access the settings for that particular account. With the account settings panel open before you, what you're looking to do now is click on the Edit Account Info option. This will lead you to a more detailed settings page for the account where you can make changes to its configuration. As you scroll through the settings, one of the key options you'll find is Disconnect this account on Save. Click on this option once. What this does is unlink the bank account from your QuickBooks Online setup. Don't worry, this doesn't delete any of your past transaction history, it merely disconnects the account from receiving future updates. After you've clicked to disconnect the account, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. This is an important step, as it ensures you won't accidentally disconnect an account. A dialog box will appear asking if you're sure you want to proceed. Click yes to confirm. Finally, the last step in this process is to save the changes you've made. Look for the Save button, which you can usually find in the lower right corner of the settings panel. A single click on Save will finalize the disconnection process, and just like that, the bank account will no longer be visible in your active QuickBooks Online records. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully removed an unwanted bank account from your QuickBooks Online. This keeps your accounting clean and manageable without the clutter of unnecessary accounts. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps keep your finances organized.